Are you planning a trip to Vietnam and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling today, I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Vietnam in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description, so let's dive in. The eSIM provider I recommend for Vietnam is Airalo. If you're looking for a cheap and flexible plan, Airalo is a strong pick. For Vietnam, the options start at 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. You've also got 2 gig for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3 gig for $9.50, valid for 30 days. For more usage, there's the 5 gig plan for $13, 10 gig for $21, and 20 gig for $32, all with a 30-day valid time frame. The app is super simple to use, and once you buy a plan, you're going to get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. So if you ever need more data, you can always top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options that they offer, then I'm going to recommend you to Maya Mobile. I have tried it myself and they're great. If speed and simplicity matter most, then Maya's plans offer great value. You've got a 10-day option like a 3 gig for $8.99, 5 gig for $12.59, 10 gig for $17.09, and even unlimited data for $23.39. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 10% discount. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. So when you click the link in the description, it'll take you to Maya's homepage. And from there, you're just going to type in Vietnam into the destination search bar, and you'll see a list of available plans. And you're just going to choose the one that fits your needs the best. At checkout, you're going to see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. And once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly, and you're going to scan it with your phone, and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? Well, if you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, then Airalo takes the top spot. Plans are flexible and the app is user-friendly, but if you're going for short-term, high-speed use, then Maya Mobile gives you a better value, especially with the unlimited option. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Vietnam in just minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.